Hello and welcome to Sitter's Baked Goods. Today we're going to be doing an update. As you can see, I'm not in Canada anymore. I've actually moved to Vietnam. I'm actually in the middle of the country, in a mountain region called Kon Tum. And yeah, we're just going to walk around and show you a little bit about the area. So yeah, let's go through the update. Obviously, I'm in a new area, so I have to set up my own kitchen and stuff, which you'll see in a bit. I have everything ready, but it's fairly small, so I'll be a bit slow with the regular type of videos, where I'm going to be doing just like I always did in Canada, filming, making coconut macaroons, cheesecake, all that different stuff. The interesting thing here, though, is it's very difficult to get certain ingredients. So you might see a lot of similar baked goods for the first few videos as I try to figure out supply chains and get some interesting ingredients. The other thing I'm thinking about doing is figuring out where I'm going to be making these videos. The little area that I have to bake might be a bit difficult, so I might have to do some improvising. Here we're just walking along. This is a nice rice paddy. In a little bit we'll be able to zoom in on a nice cafe just over on the side there. It's very nice at nighttime where you can look at the rice paddy and have your nice cup of coffee. Anyways, there's a few other fun areas around here. As you can see, I'm kind of on the outskirts of the city where there's a lot of farming, cows. These kids over here are fishing, trying to get some fish. And of course there's some cows as well that were in the area. A lot of fun I've been having here. Anyways, back to the update. I'll be trying to make a few different types of videos as well to kind of bridge the gap, since I probably will be a bit slower with my baking. Here's the kitchen, by the way. So yeah, so I only have this small oven, so I won't be able to make big things. And all I have is this kind of equipment. So again, I'll be a bit slower on the regular videos. So yeah, the kind of new videos I'm thinking about doing are, well, these walk-in talks where I walk around the area and talk to you about certain things. One thing I'm thinking about is specifically talking about things that you might need to know about baking, like how to cost your food or what to look for when you're hiring things. Those will be kind of shorter videos and kind of easy things to do, but it'll be kind of interesting to kind of walk around and see things. Of course, just like with my visit to China and to Poland, it's always fun to go see the types of bakeries they have here and show you what they're like. So I'll be definitely doing a video like that in the future as well. We're just about to walk up to the center of the town. In this area there's a minority group called Banar people, and they have these huge grass huts as their kind of town hall, called, I'll probably pronounce it wrong, but like a Roo house. And so yeah, that's kind of what this building is up here. It's a quite nice area. The other thing I'm obviously thinking about is, well, I'm in Vietnam, why not show some little adventures if I go to a different city or something like that. That could be a little extra thing for some fun. I know I'm getting a little bit more Vietnamese people watching these videos now, so I'm also going to be trying to translate everything I say into Vietnamese, so it's a little bit easier for them. Yeah, there's a nice house. This is actually just recently built. When I first arrived, they were just constructing it, so it's quite nice that they finished it. And here, we're coming to the end of the video now. This is the nice little countryside drive area. This is where I first learned how to drive a motorcycle, which was quite interesting for fun. As you can see, again, the beautiful mountain area, and of course, beautiful scenery with the rivers and different nature around here. So yeah, you can obviously be ready to see all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's about it. That's gonna be the update for right now. I'm in Vietnam. I'm getting ready to start making some new videos for you, and you can all look forward to that. Thanks for joining me, and please subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I even have my own website. Thank you, and have a nice day.